Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert a TIFF file into a JPEG in Photoshop while keeping a 4K resolution. First, open Photoshop on your computer. Once it is ready, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, choose Open. Navigate to the TIFF file that you want to convert, select it, and click Open. Your image will now appear in Photoshop. Before saving it as a JPEG, we need to make sure the resolution is set to 4K. Go to the top menu again and click on Image, then choose Image Size. In the dialog box that appears, make sure the width and height match 3840 by 2160 pixels, which is the standard 4K resolution. If the numbers are different, type in 3840 for width and 2160 for height. Make sure the resample option is checked so Photoshop can resize the image properly. Then click OK. Now that the size is set, go to File again, and this time select Save As. A new window will open. From the Format drop-down menu, choose JPEG. Pick a location on your computer where you want the new file to be saved and give it a name. Then click Save. Photoshop will now ask you to choose the JPEG quality. To keep the best image quality, drag the slider to the maximum or select a value of 12. Then click OK. Your TIFF file has now been converted and saved as a JPEG. Thanks for watching.